Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Developers. We are in the second step of autoloading tutorial. If you are not aware about first step, then watch our previous autoloading tutorial. So, in the second step, we are creating a composer.json file. In that file, we will define autoloading with PSR4. So, what is PSR4? So, PSR4 is a PHP standard recommendation. So, we are autoloading it PSR4, the namespace common, which is located in the src folder. So look at the src folder structure. So here our folder structure, we are creating a composer.json file. So in this src there is one file called validation.php. So this is the namespace that is common. So it is pointing the namespace common in the src folder. So this is our namespace common. Inside that we are creating a validation class. Okay, so this is explained in our previous step. So if you have any doubt, go back and check our first step of autoloading. So in this we need a composer should be installed in our system. So let's check the composer by hitting the command -v. If you did not see such output, then the composer is not installed in your system. So watch our next topic, that is how to install a composer, and then come back and continue this. So we are assuming here that composer is installed in your system. So we have created a composer.json file here, and we are running this command composer dump autoload. So what it will do, it will autoload, it will load or generate the auto-related autoload files. So you can see their function, their folder is created called vendor. Inside that vendor the autoload file is created, and the composer file inside the composer folder you can see the autoload namespaces. You can use the statics, you can use the class map. So we are in this tutorial considering the autoload with PSR4. This is the standard one. So whenever you want to access the namespace common, which is located inside the src folder, so what you need to do is, you won't need this file. You have to write require vendor autoload.php. So what it will do, it will load the autoload.php, and it should run the same output. You can see no error. So what we have did here, we are including the autoload file here, right? So inside that we are namespace common and the validation class, and we are calling the method of validation called email validation, right? So you can use this like this as well. Use common validation as v. You can put alias as well. You can use like this as well. So this should work as well. So this is what the autoloading works. So you won't need this anymore. So advantage of this autoloading, you won't need to explicitly add your file, or you can just remove the required and include functions. So you can, this is the advantage of autoloading. So whatever files that you want to include, you can use this composer.json file, autoload, and the method that is psr4. So this is the psr4. It it has a standard that the file should contain the namespace and the class name. The namespace, the single namespace, or you can write the sub namespace as well if you want. So but in this example we are creating just simple, so I'm just keeping it as a single namespace that is common. You can create a sub namespace as well like this, and you can use it. But for this is as a demo, for better understanding, we are just creating a simple example. So this is all about autoloading with composer.json file. So thank you.